friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Subscribe this channel. Okay. When I try to open this like error, excel repair, corrupted repair, this like errors. Okay, how to solve this one. Second part in this video, we are repairing two software method. Okay, now we are using this software in below description. Go on by download by that software. Go just open and browse it your repaired excel file. Just open, browse and open. It is repair. Click once. Now it is repaired. Okay, and save file. Where if you want, go on, select and repair. Just open. Okay, just wait few seconds. It's come. Okay, or open content folder. Just open and check your excel sheet is come. Yes, now it's working. Day by day we are upload channel. This then third part is there, how to excel recovery using another methods. Subscribe into beginner. Once save on another name and another path, because prepared file very important. See you friends, next video part 3 is